everybody, my name's Terry. Welcome to TJ's Homestead. Today I'm going to show you a quick little hack on how to keep your seat cushions on your kitchen chairs from sliding. Our strings keep breaking off of them, so I'm going to show you what we do. Go ahead and cut that off because it's broke anyway. Okay, what you're going to need, a pair of scissors, some carpet tape. Okay, we're going to take the carpet tape. I don't know if you can see if I can back this up. You can see this chair. Alright, you take carpet tape. We're going to put it here on your chair. Don't worry, carpet tape comes off. Ain't going to hurt the chair. It won't hurt the cushions. I'm going to put some here. Put a little bit here on the front. This is double-sided carpet tape. It holds the little floor rugs and stuff in place, and it works real good keeping the chair mats in place when your strings break off. Okay, we've got that part done. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to tear, I can get my fingers underneath it. Tear that white part off. That one off. Get this one. Oops. Got that. This will keep, when you're sitting down, keep your cushion from shifting. Alright, now you got your carpet tape down. Take your chair mat, and we're going to just make sure you got it on the right side that you want it. Front side front. Press it down, like so. And there you go. It's not going to move. When you're sitting down, you get up. I mean, there's nothing more irritating than a cushion moving when you're trying to sit in it. Put these back on the table. I've got two more to do, but I won't do those on camera. But tell me what you think of this little hack. It works really good, and you can pull them off, throw the cushions in the washing machine to wash them, put them back on there. So, there you go. So, please tell me what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe my channel for more quick tips. I'll see you on the next go round.